If you're seeing a bad request error in ElevenLabs or a message like unusual activity detected, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to generating voice as quickly as possible. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for anyone who uses ElevenLabs and suddenly gets blocked, stuck, or told something went wrong. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's start with the fastest fix first. Hard refresh the page. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to reload the page without using the saved temporary data, which can clear out glitches that cause bad request errors. After you do that, wait for the page to fully reload and try your action again. In a lot of cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your VPN. Turn it off completely and refresh the page again. ElevenLabs can aggressively block certain IP ranges because it is trying to prevent abuse, and that can sometimes trigger unusual activity detected warnings or other request errors. Even if your VPN usually works fine on other websites, it may be the reason ElevenLabs is rejecting your connection. So disconnect the VPN, reload the site, and try again with your normal connection. Now, if you're still getting a bad request message, there is one more very important possibility. You may have hit a usage limit. In some cases, a 400 quota exceeded error means you have used up your monthly character tier. That is not a browser issue. It means your account has reached its plan limit. To check this, go to the ElevenLabs subscription page and review your usage. Look at how many characters you have used and whether your current plan still has available quota. If you've reached the limit, you may need to wait for your allowance to reset or upgrade your plan if you need more characters right away. So to recap the main fixes. First, hard refresh the page with Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. Second, turn off your VPN because ElevenLabs may block certain IP ranges and flag unusual activity. Third, if you see quota exceeded, check your monthly character usage on the ElevenLabs subscription page because you may have run out of credits. If one of these fixes solved the problem, let me know in the comments which one worked for you. And if you want more fast practical tutorials like this one, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.